Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. It's SEMA 2019, and we're in the Ford booth to take a close-up look at the 2019 Ford Expedition built by Mad Industries. Our buddy Chris at Mad Industries always does an amazing job with his build, so we pulled him aside for a quick chat about this one. All right, we're here with Chris from Mad Industries, and Chris has been doing builds in the Ford booth for years, and this year he's got this new Expedition. Chris, tell us, what's the theme behind the build?
Theme is a luxury overlander. So Expedition Stealth Black Edition, which is the upper level. And we just wanted to have something that the guy that wants a luxury vehicle, but yeah, still wants to go out and do some camping. So this is it. It's got the Whipple 3.5 liter on it. So upgrade, fuel, off-road wheels, power stop brakes, Icon suspension, killer build.
Awesome, love it. Looks fantastic. What's the plan with it after SEMA? Where are you gonna be taking it?
Arizona. Let's go out and do some great stuff, you know, out there and take it off-road and use what it's for, and then, hey, hopefully daily driver too.
Awesome, and in case people aren't familiar with Mad Industries, tell us a little bit about the business.
Well, we've been building auto show cars for 20 years, you know, for Ford, GM, Chevy, you know, everybody. And I've done some cars with Motoroso, which is great, good relationship we've got, and we love what we're doing.
Awesome. Where can people find out more about Mad?
At madindustries.com and at Mad on Instagram too.
Fantastic. We'll send people on over. Thanks, Chris.
No worries. Thanks, man.
That's all we've got for this short video, but if you want all the details on this project build and all the other Ford builds, make sure to check out Motoroso.com/FordSEMA 2019. We have all the interactive content there for you to browse, and when you want to imitate these builds, make sure you do your shopping at the Motoroso Marketplace, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free with no minimum. We hope you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for all of our future videos. Thanks for watching.